What is a computer? The computer is an electronic device used to store information and process it. It is a word derived from a word compute, which means to calculate. Full form of computer is as follows. C stands for commonly, O stands for operated, M stands for machine, P stands for particularly, U stands for used, T stands for technical, E stands for educational, R stands for research. Commonly operated machine, particularly used in technical and educational research. In the beginning, the use of computers was limited, but today the computer has become an important part of our life. With the help of computer, we can do different things. You can use your computer for many tasks such as creating documents, calculation, entertainment and more. Thank you.